It's the romantic time of the year again, and it's time to not just feel in love, but look in love. This is my Valentine look. Let's start with a primer. I'm using my Max Factor primer, and it also acts as my moisturizer. Now gently apply the product and spread it all over your face. For my foundation, I am gonna be using my Max Factor Pan Stick, of course, in my shade. Use a dump sponge or beauty blender and blend it nicely. We'll be skipping the concealer because the foundation stick that we used here. Time for baking. Get your beauty blender and sponge that you have and pat right amount of powder on your face. Baking is just a simple technique to a long-lasting foundation, and it also sets your makeup nicely. And here, I'm using my Nichido translucent powder. It's very nice and one of my holy grails. It's time to redefine the eyebrows, girls. Darken them a bit to give your eyes a dramatic look. Moving on to the eyeshadows, here I'm showing you the shades that I'm gonna use. Take the medium color and apply it on the hollows of your eyes and take time to blend. Blending is a key, as always. Now take the lightest color and apply it on the lids. With your brush or your fingertip, apply the darkest color along the outer corner of your eyes. This will give the effect of a smoky eye with the colors that we picked. Blend it all together to soften the look. Now you're gonna add more eyeshadow on your eyelids. Just make sure to pick a color with a sheen. Now, using a brown eyeliner, apply it along the outer lower lash line, and it helps bring the warmth to the eyes. Don't forget to set the powder. Using the eyeshadow shade with a sheen, load your brush and apply it on the inner corner of your eyes. Your eyes should appear a bit dewy and fresh. Done for the eyes! Taking your blush brush, load it up with a pink color and apply it along the jawline and cheeks. If you want to add more color on your face, you can go by applying a darker shade of your bronzer. This can also act as your face contour. It's time to contour your nose, my favorite. This will give definition to your nose. Of course, blend it with your fingertips and you're good to go. Recently, this is the technique that I'm actually doing on my makeup routine. I am actually getting in any highlighter or eyeshadow with a sheen and then put it as a highlighter on the bridge of my nose. With this shade of red lipstick, it will intensify your look. Don't forget to curl your lashes. Also, apply some highlighter on the areas where you want to highlight. And we're done. You should look romantic this Valentine's Day. It's okay if you don't have a boyfriend or husband. You can actually ask your friends, special someone, or any family member and pick a nice dress. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. I hope you give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what do you think about our look, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay confident. Bye guys.